My name is Glen Corfield and I'm the Manager of Operations at Jellinbah Mine. Jellinbah Mine produces PCI coal around 5 million tonnes per annum, looking to increase to 6 million over the 5-year plan. We had a fleet management system looking to deploy that out into the mine. We're short on advice and I guess the know-how on how to do that change management successfully. Haultrax were able to help us unpack those issues, which were, I guess, more than what we had anticipated. Things like maintenance on site, communications across the network, ultimately infrastructure elements that we had not previously considered or maintained well ourselves on site. That was exactly what Jellinbah needed to get started. Their engagement with our team, so it was pretty wide-ranging, from the maintenance team to the electrical team with comms, and then also the production team. And I think overall that engagement and that consistency throughout that time we had together was overall one of the biggest contributors to the outcome that we achieved. Yeah, looking back at the time with Haultrax, I could only tell myself I wish I would have engaged with Haultrax sooner. Despite having conversations or promises with vendors around the assistance that they could offer, it just didn't match what we ultimately received from Haultrax with the services on that project.